അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, today's recipe is the yummy Paneer Butter Masala recipe. Ingredients: 200 grams of paneer cut into long slices, puree of 4 big tomatoes, 1 onion finely chopped, cashew paste made from 50 grams of cashews, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, 5 to 6 garlic pods, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, 2 green chilies, 2 bay leaves, 2 spoons of butter, 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon kasuri methi, salt for taste, and 2 spoons of fresh cream. Heat 1 spoon of oil in a kadai. Add the ginger, garlic, chilies and onions and fry until they turn golden brown. Then add the turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder, which I forgot to mention in the ingredients, and mix it well. Remove it from the flame and set it aside to let it cool. Once it cools, transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it to a fine paste by adding some water. Now heat 1 spoon of oil in a kadai. Add the bay leaf and tomato puree to the kadai and bring it to a good boil. Close the lid of the kadai and let the tomato puree cook for a while. Add the onion paste to this and mix it well. To this mixture, add the cashew paste and mix well. Add the required amount of salt and bring this to a good boil. Close the lid and cook it for about 5 minutes. Once you open the lid, you will see that the paste has become thick now. Add about half a cup of water to the gravy and then add the paneer pieces to this. Mix it well and let the paneer cook in the gravy for a while. Close the lid and let it cook on a low flame. Open the lid after 10 minutes and give the gravy a good stir. Now add the butter to the gravy and then add 2 spoons of cream. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Now take a tadka pan and dry roast the kasuri methi for a minute. Add this to the paneer butter masala. Serve your yummy paneer butter masala with hot pulkas and never disappoint your guests. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.